Today, we are going to cover automatic notifications and messages in PrivateBnB. Click on Listings. By now you should already have at least one listing made. If not, go ahead and make one. There's another video on that. Now, in the Edit section, go over to Notifications. Here you will see Agreement and Payment, Arrival and Departure. Agreement and payment will be an automatic message sent to your guest that provides information on the terms and conditions you provide and an email for a transfer. This is for security deposit and or rental payment if you do not use the payout methods using Stripe or PayPal. You can also choose that your caretaker, maintenance, or another owner will get these messages as well, keeping them in the loop. The arrival section, you can create a note that they will automatically receive upon arrival. And departure is the same but for departing. Now you can invite people to book and the software will handle all the messaging itself. Here is an example of an automatic message a guest would receive. Once again, thanks for watching. This was a video on automatic notifications and messages. It is quite simple. Follow for more PrivateBnB tutorials.